Hello guys, and welcome to another video. In this video I am going to be doing a nail design on the nails here using the polishes I got from this month's Candy Coat subscription, which are these three colours here. Now the other colours I'm also going to be using for this design is just a black and white. These are by Britpop. And this nice neutral from Not Polish. So first things first, on our little pinky here we are going to be putting the hot pink. On our thumb we are going to be putting the neon orange, and then for the middle three fingers we are going in with the neutral colour. Now just before I get started, please go and see if you are subscribed, because it only takes 2 seconds to hit that button and it really helps out this channel. So let's get started, guys. Also, let me know what you think of my little cushion thing I bought for me to rest my hand on when I'm doing the nails for the videos for you guys. Do you like it with or without? Please let me know in the comments section below, because I'm always trying to improve my video for you guys. And this is what we are looking like. So we have our pink, our neutral colours and our orange, and I'm just going to put that into cure, do a second coat, and I will be back, guys. So here we are with the main colours done. Then on our little plate we have our three colours. And with a liner brush we are just going to do a French tip on these here. So because we've got the hot pink over on this nail here, we'll do the hot pink on this one. Because the orange is over here, we'll put the orange one here, and then the darker pink will go in the middle. Like so, and we are just going to put that into cure, and we will move on to the next step. Okay, now for the next step, the solid nails, we're going to go all the way around the outside with a black line, and for the French tips we're going to go all the way around the outside and where the curve is in an outline on all of the nails. Guys, so we are back. This is what we are looking like. Now I've just put some white on my palette, and the next thing we're going to do is add the white lines. Like that. So we are going to put these in now. Actually no, we're not. With my little thing that I'm using to wipe off my brush. So we've done the white lines. Now we are going to do the black lines. Now I am cleaning this brush off in between each colour. So now we will go in with our black lines. So once you've got your highlights and lowlights on your nails, we are going to go and put them into cure again. So here we go, this is what they're looking like so far. Now I have these stickers here, I suppose you can draw them, but they're already done in the comic book style. And we're just going to put them at the bottom of these 3 fingers here. So once we've got them stickers stuck down, or if you have a much steadier hand than me and you can draw them, we are going to go in with just a little bit of base coat, and we want to get 1 orange gem and 1 pink gem to go on the nails. Like so. So I'm just going to put these gems in to cure, because as you can see they slide about and we don't want that. And here is the finished look, guys. What do you think, using the colours that I got from this month's candy coat? Just a nice cute little simple comic book style design, and as you can see I think just making it matte is just really tops it off, taking away that shine. So yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and all that stuff, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye!